Hi guys, it's just Fussy and welcome back to my channel. And today this video is for my girls with small lips. And if you want your lips to look like you just went and got your lips done, then continue to watch. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to overline my lips with eyeliner pencil by Maybelline.
She don't want nobody in her face. She had enough. Tell them boys get away.
And I like to use this darker color on the outside because my lips are small and I like them to look bigger. So the darker on the outside, the more it's gonna make it look full.
Back to ways. She going back to your waist. She don't want nobody in her face. She had enough. Tell them boys get away. She going way back to ways.
So next I'm going to go into my lip liner, and this is the color Cork by MAC. And I'm just going to go a little above where I just did, but first I need to sharpen it. Because the sharper the pencil is, the better it is.
Back to your waist. She don't want nobody in her face. She had enough. Tell them boys get away. She going way back to ways. She going back to your waist. She don't want nobody in her face. She had enough. Tell them boys get away. She going way back to ways. She going back to your waist. She don't want nobody in her face. She had enough. Tell them boys get away. She going way back to ways.
And I try to stay with the natural shape of my lips, because when you overline your lips, it will look crazy if you try to do something that's not there. Like try to overdo your Cupid's bow, that will look crazy. Next I'm going to go in with the color Soar, and this is also by MAC, and it's a lip liner pencil, and we're just going to fill in the center of our lips.
She going back, but she back to it. She going back to it. She going back.
We're just gonna pat our lips together.
Back to your waist. She don't want nobody in her face. She had enough. Tell them boys get away. She going way back to it. She going back.
And I'm going to go back in with the color Cork, and I'm going to go under my lip where I did the brownish black. I'm going to go under it.
She going back, but she back to it. She going back.
To give that shadow effect, like we have like a pouty bottom lip. And just doing it literally under that little fold.
Going back to your waist. She don't want nobody in her face.
So next what I'm going to go into is, this is blush, and this is the dark palette by e.l.f. And I'm going to take these two colors right here, get a little bit on my finger, and I'm just going to pat. And this is just giving me like a pinkish nude color that I want, and kind of like help me set what I did to my lips, because we don't want them to rub away when you drink. When you drink something or you eat anything. And so I'm looking at my lips, and I feel like I kind of want to go a little more fuller. I'm just going to fill in the sides of my lip with the same Cork.
She going back, but she back to it. She going back.
Next, I'm going to go into my lip gloss, and this is by Fenty Beauty in the color Fussy. And I'm putting it all over.
She going back, but she back to it. She going back to it. She going back. She going back, but she back to it. She going back.
What I'm doing, I'm kind of like smudging my stuff together.
She going back.
A harsh line at the top.
She going back to your waist.
I'm gonna go back to the Maybelline. I'm gonna go right under just to make it a little more.
She had enough. Tell them boys get away. Cause she going back, way back, 2 ways, yeah. Yeah, she going back, yeah, back to your waist, yeah.
And I'm thinking I'm just gonna add a little more on the top. I'm just gonna tuck my lip a little and put some behind it.
Hey, yeah, she going back, but she back to it. Hey, yeah, she going back 2 ways, yeah, she going back. Hey, back to your ways, yeah.
And the main thing that you want to do is like get it literally right behind of where your lip already have like those natural curves. Don't want to go too far behind because then it's gonna be really noticeable.
Yeah, she don't want nobody in her face. Yeah. She had enough, tell them boys get away. Yeah, cause she going back, way back, 2 ways. Yeah, yeah, she going back, yeah, back to your waist. Yeah.
Next, I'm going to go in with my lip gloss from Bath and Body Works. And I love this because it's like really shiny and it tastes like mint.
Hey, yeah, back to your waist. Yeah, she going back.
And what this do for me is it's like giving me like a real shine. And it also, like with more gloss, your lips are going to look bigger. So,
she going back, yeah, back to your waist. Yeah, she don't want nobody in her face. Yeah, she had enough, tell them boys get away. Yeah, cause she going back, way back, 2 ways. Yeah, she going back.
Alright guys, thank you for watching and we're at the end of this video. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and comment. And I will respond back to you guys. Thank you for watching.